Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how we can use Alert Dialog control in Android applications to show the alert dialog in Android applications based on our requirements. Let's go. First, in XML file we will define a button and relative layout to show the alert dialog when a button click. Now in our activity we will declare the button, and perform action on it, by calling listener on the button. To create an alert dialog we use the alert dialog.builder inner class. We pass the context inside the constructor. Optionally, we can pass another parameter, the alert dialog style. Now we want to add some of methods that can be used on an alert dialog as shown as. Inside the setPositive button function, when that button is clicked, it will show a toast message. This function has two parameters, dialog interface and integer I. Dialog interface is an instance of the dialog, and integer I is the ID of the button that is clicked. And we do the same thing in negative button. We can also display the dialog through the alert dialog class instance in this way. Now run the app, we will get a result like that. Okay, now we will learn how to use single choice list with checkboxes in alert dialog and get selected item values. Let's go. First we will change some things here. Now, create an array to hold items for checkbox, and an array list to hold items selected. Here we call setMultiChoiceItems. We can set a list of checkboxes for users to choose via the setMultiChoiceItems method. For setMultiChoiceItems method, you passed in two arrays. One for the list of items to display, another to contain the value of each item, to indicate if they are checked. Integer I is for item position and boolean b is for item checked or not. When an item is checked, added it in the list. Now let's run the app. OK, it's show the list items with checkboxes and alert dialog based on our requirements in Android applications.